And this, y'all know this is like Star Trek? Yes, Spock. Okay.
This my